Bone broth has long been hailed for its incredible healing properties, brimming with collagen, amino acids, and vital minerals. But if you're on the lookout for a natural alternative, you're in for a delightful surprise. Step into the enchanting realm of plant-based broths, nature's hidden treasures. Miso broth, a fermented delight. Imagine a steaming bowl of golden miso, a beloved Japanese classic crafted from fermented soybeans. This vibrant liquid is bursting with probiotics and essential amino acids that nurture your gut health. Toss in kombu and shiitake mushrooms, and you create a delightful umami symphony, rich in B vitamins that elevate your energy and sharpen your focus. How to savor it: sip it warm, blend it into hearty soups, or mix with zesty garlic and ginger for an invigorating immune boost. Mushroom broth, nature's immune booster. Picture the rich, earthy aroma of mushrooms like reishi and shiitake, renowned for their immune-boosting prowess and anti-inflammatory magic. A mushroom broth is a flavor-packed powerhouse, overflowing with antioxidants and beta-glucans that fortify your immune system. What's in it for you? Enhanced immunity, vitamin D, and stress-busting adaptogens. Relish it as a soothing tea with creamy coconut milk or as a robust base for savory soups and risottos. Seaweed broth, ocean's nutrient powerhouse. Envision the deep, briny taste of seaweed, a nutrient-dense source of iodine, magnesium, and essential trace minerals vital for thyroid health and hydration. Broth crafted from kombu or wakame offers savory richness while nourishing your body. What are the key benefits? It supports thyroid function and hydration, plus it's loaded with antioxidants. How to enjoy it: simmer kombu with aromatic garlic and ginger, or add it to a warm bowl of miso soup for a comforting experience. Collagen and gelatin powders, easy alternatives. Want the perks of bone broth without the fuss? Consider grass-fed collagen peptides and gelatin. These convenient powders dissolve effortlessly in drinks or meals, promoting joint and gut health. Collagen peptides are swiftly absorbed, enhancing skin and joint vitality, while gelatin acts as a natural thickener that aids digestion. How to incorporate them? Stir collagen into smoothies or coffee and whip up delicious homemade treats using gelatin. Herbal and medicinal tonics, traditional remedies. A treasure trove of vibrant herbs and roots can create warming tonics that boost your immunity. Golden milk, anti-inflammatory wonder. Imagine a creamy cup of golden milk, an Ayurvedic delight that combines turmeric, ginger, and coconut milk, celebrated for its anti-inflammatory properties. What are the benefits? It reduces inflammation, supports brain health, and aids digestion. How to prepare it? Heat coconut milk, whisk in turmeric, ginger, and a pinch of black pepper, sweetening to your preference. Adaptogenic herbal teas, stress relief. Picture the calming effects of adaptogens like reishi and ashwagandha, helping your body navigate stress while enhancing immunity. Rich teas brewed from these herbs offer a fantastic alternative to bone broth. What are the key benefits? They balance energy and promote longevity. How to enjoy? Brew a cup of reishi or chaga tea, or blend ashwagandha with warm milk for a cozy drink. Which path will you choose? The world of nourishing, all-natural broths is vast and full of possibilities. Whether you're drawn to the probiotic richness of miso, the immune-boosting magic of mushrooms, or the ancient wisdom of herbal tonics, there's an alternative that fits your needs. The choice is yours. Will you sip on the wisdom of the earth, the power of plants, or the secrets of ancient medicine?